Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's going on with the Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. Okay, today, been about 10 of them put on the market already this morning. What is this, condo? Two-story condo, 1250 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with a garage, 160. Aspen Peak Loop. Oh, that's a nice name of a street. Nice views there of a park. Gated. Looks pretty roomy. Huh, interesting. Looks like Corian here and Formica here. Could just be the pictures though. Now looks like Corian there. It's probably a Formica. Walk-in closet. Huh. Interesting. Nice and roomy for a little condo. $160,000. And where is it? Boulder Highway in Gibson. Right over there by Whitney Ranch. Okay, cool. Looks like a nice one. Okay, so highest price little dude, $550,000 for the vintage garden here. 1 story, 27-28 square feet. Oh, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Sounds good. Nice old growth. Okay. Nice little house. A lot of lawn there. Built in 2001. Okay, Southwest. Okay, yesterday, out of the area, out of the area, out of the area. Wow, these are all $60,000 homes. Wow. Can you imagine? Got it. Wow. That's interesting. Looks like there's something there holding up the roof. Extensive water damage, I would say. Hot water heater in the corner over there. Yeah, it's a pole holding up the roof. Looks like they started to remodel it and didn't finish. Man, what a mess. This. Oops, wrong one. Nye County, Pahrump. Wow. Acre lot. Private well, pump house, storage business. Neighborhood commercial. So, home at your own risk. Molten unsafe conditions. Cash only. Interesting. White Pines, 64,000. White Pines, 64,000, another one. Somebody must have had a couple of houses there that they want to get rid of. So it looks pretty rough too. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is here, Las Vegas. Mobile home, okay, probably been converted. That's a single wide though, probably cash only. I think it's been nicely done though. Cash, 4% commission. Converted. No. Alright. So, let's see what else is. Moon Valley, 1.575 million, 5,000 square feet. It's a nice little house. All the features that you'd want. Hmm. 21,000 square feet, half-acre lot, Summerlin. Okay. Mead and Ann's, yeah. Out there. Okay. Okay, that's that for right now. Let's check and see. We have 412 in contract. What has just sold? Wow, look at this. 1930. Where was that? Wow, look at that. 1930 house. Still standing. Oh my gosh. Where is it? Sold for $8,000. Ruth. On the market for $19,000. 7,000 square foot lot, White Pine County, with a basement, 2 sheds. Bank owned. Wow. $8 grand. There's something that was going to start out at 34. How many days on the market? 156. Wow. That's interesting. Okay. So we have Craig here, $9,600 on this one. What the heck is this? I bet somebody left off a 0. 98, yeah. Money missed to 0. 1181 square feet. We're on Craig. Pretty original. 96 grand, huh? Okay, he's closed today. $176,000. $385 for a single-family home. Wow, that's a lot of money for 1,400 square feet. Must be nice. Square feet, or 2,000. So where is this? Kind of lost track of what I was doing here. Oh, okay, just here close. It's a lot of money for that. Interesting. Okay. Yesterday. $82,000 for two-story townhome. Ooh, I remember when that one went on the market. It's a castle. Lifestyles of the rich and famous. Around coastline on lakes. Lake Sahara. Not on the water. $3.2 million. Took 20 days to get on the market. Nice. Refrigerator and a boat were included in the sale. Okie dokie. So we're at 13 minutes. Going off subject a little bit here. Let's see what the last 2 days of single family homes with pools. It's building up a little bit, so that's good. Alright. Well, this is what the entire MLS did right here in June. This is the end of July. We'll have another graph coming out. But as you can see, closed sales were down a little bit from 4,200 down to 37, so about 500 for the month. Okay, you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.